I wanted to make a video about this amazing tea that has saved our daughter from many ER visits and hospitalizations. So our daughter has Pfeiffer syndrome, and as a result, her airway is smaller than most kids. And so she basically got croup almost every time she got sick, or every time she got sick. After our daughter had 12 episodes of croup, I finally discovered a way to prevent them. After my mom told me about this tea that helped with coughing, it seemed too good to be true, but I guess it didn't hurt to try. So what's the secret? Ginger lemon tea with lots of honey. So you can there are many options out there that you can get. I use organic ginger root, and you just add lemon to it, or you can get teas that already have lemon on them. So you choose. So I use an electric kettle to boil the water, and then I fill it up about halfway. And the reason I do that is because the kids don't need a lot, and the more water you have, the more honey you will need. So halfway is good. Okay, so since I use ginger root tea, I'm going to put some lemon in it. Squeeze some lemon. About half a lemon is good. But if you use ginger lemon tea, then you don't have to do this part. So kids under 1 year old are not supposed to have honey because it can cause a rare but potentially fatal illness called botulism, infant botulism. In fact, our doctor recommended that we wait until our daughter was 2 to introduce honey to her diet. So I give our daughter this magical ginger lemon tea with lots of honey every time that I notice that our daughter is getting a cough or starting to cough. And within 5 and 10 minutes, her cough is gone. It is incredible. I personally had really bad coughing episodes due to my asthma, and I started drinking this tea, and it would stop it like that. I hope that you found this video helpful.